Bonnie Willie MacIntosh, for left ye all your men. I left them in the stable, but they'll ne'er come hame. Bonnie Willie MacIntosh, for left ye all your men. I left them in the stable, sleeping in their shin. Light was the marker at the day dawning, Auckland was in a blaze, hear the crows crowing, and coming our caring crew, and looking to man, I saw Willie MacIntosh burn off ended man. A little bit like my electronic bagpipe was losing its battery there, but we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. This is going to be my last